Okay. Jake, tell me what we're doing.
I'm going to attempt, if Bruce will move ever, to, oh yeah, wag that tail.
Hi, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. Hi, Bruce.
I am going to try to turn on the dishwasher and hope that we don't have any leaks, because the first time we had leaks.
All right, let's do it.
So, okay, here we go.
The water's on.
Water is on.
Is it leaking?
Not yet, but we'll see. I don't think it's leaking.
So does that mean that it's working?
We can hope.
Bruce, Bruce, help him out. Hi, buddy. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, really? Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. How we looking, Dad?
Looking leak-free so far.
Yay!